Module 7, Conclusion and Summary. Part 3, Resources for Further Learning and Practice. There are many resources available for traders who want to continue learning and practicing their skills in capital market trading. Here are a few suggestions. Online courses and tutorials. There are many online courses and tutorials available that cover various aspects of capital market trading, from basic concepts to advanced strategies. Some of the popular platforms for online learning include Udemy, Coursera, and Khan Academy. Trading books. There are also many books available that cover different aspects of trading, from technical analysis to risk management. Some of the most popular trading books include The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy, and Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Trading communities. Joining a trading community can be a great way to connect with other traders and learn from their experiences. There are many online forums and social media groups dedicated to trading, where traders can share insights, ask questions, and receive feedback on their trading strategies. Trading simulators. As mentioned earlier, many online brokers and trading platforms offer virtual trading accounts, which allow traders to practice their strategies in a risk-free environment. This can be a great way to test new strategies and get a feel for the markets without risking real money. Trading coaches and mentors. Working with a trading coach or mentor can be a great way to accelerate your learning and get personalized feedback on your trading strategies. Many experienced traders offer coaching services, and there are also many online mentorship programs available. By continuing to learn and practice their skills, traders can stay ahead of the curve and increase their chances of success in the dynamic world of capital market trading.